sẹ́ni kankan tí mo Dariji ẹni.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni. èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.
ṣé ẹ gbàgbé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Quadri Ọlásùnkànmí tí wọ́n sọ pé ó di àwátì ní January 16, 2025 tí wọ́n sọ wípé disappearance ẹ̀ pé wọ́n fura sí olùṣọ́ CCC Lásùtù. ohun tá a gbọ́ ni wípé wọ́n exhume bọ́dì Quadri níbi 2 or 3 weeks ago. ṣùgbọ́n eléyìí tí wọ́n sọ nígbà yẹn kò sí òtítọ́ níbẹ̀. ọ̀sán yìí lónìí gangan 12 of March 2025 òní wọ́n exhume òkú Quadri Ọlásùnkànmí ní ibi tí ò jìnnà sí ilé ìjọsìn CCC Lásùtù yìí. kódà wọ́n sọ wípé aṣọ pẹpẹ ni wọ́n fi wé òkú Quadri kó tó di wípé wọ́n bò ó mọ́ shallow grave tó wà ní agbègbè ilé ìjọsìn CCC Lásùtù. ẹ̀yin náà wò ó nígbà tí wọ́n lọ láti lọ wú òkú Quadri Ọlásùnkànmí. gbogbo abiyamọ ayé ò ní fi kú ọmọ dá wa lóró láṣẹ Elédùmarè. a fi àsìkò yìí dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Celestial Reality Check fún akitiyan wọn láti ìgbà tí Quadri Ọlásùnkànmí tó ti di àwátì. ẹ kú iṣẹ́ takuntakun, ẹ ní firú ẹ̀ gbá láṣẹ Elédùmarè. ẹ jẹ́ ká wo bí wọ́n ṣe wú òkú Quadri Ọlásùnkànmí ní agbègbè CCC Lásùtù.
ọmọ tó dá ní o, ọmọ tó ń ràn mí lọ́wọ́ gan ni. ìgbà tó ti kúrò ní secondary school tó ti lọ kọ́ kọ̀ǹpútà kó tó bọ́.
I am saddened by his death. He was such a promising child, full of assistance. He never disturbed us. He has his handwork. He rendered assistance. I am pained by his death. I want government to help and punish all those who are involved. I am not forgiving anyone involved in his death. All those involved must be brought to justice. That is what I want from the government.
gbogbo wọn ni títí kan olùṣọ́, gbogbo wọn pátápátá ni o. kò sẹ́ni kankan tí mo Dariji ẹni kankan nú wọn, mi ò Dariji o, torí àkọ́bí mi nìyẹn o.
The Celestial Church of Christ, like I said, Ileri Oluwa Parish in Lasu, PPL they call it, was where Ọlásùnkànmí went. And when Ọlásùnkànmí got there, he called the girlfriend to let the girlfriend know he was there. And the name of the prophet, like I told you, is the name of the prophet is Wepetoyin Babaninye. Wepetoyin Babaninye, and this is the prophet. So, you know, after calling the girlfriend tried to check back and couldn't reach Ọlásùnkànmí Quadri Ogunbode. And the girlfriend became worried. And, you know, they went to make a report about his missing. When they got there, you know, the girlfriend insisted that this guy told me he was going to this church. This is where he told me he was going. The parish pastor, the prophets initially denied that he never came there. But the girlfriend insisted that this is where he told me. He usually tell me wherever he's going to. So from there, Babaninye was arrested, the prophets. The prophets, or whatever they call them in Sele, was arrested. When he was arrested, he still denied. Then the police, we should give kudos to the police when it comes to this. They really tried on this case. The police made further investigation and went to Quadri Ọlásùnkànmí's bank. It was in the bank they discovered some withdrawals were made on that same day, 16th of January. A total sum of 1.5 million was discovered to have been transferred into the prophet account, this prophet. When this prophet was asked, it was alleged that this prophet said that it was Thanksgiving money that Quadri gave to him. And they were like 1.5 million for Thanksgiving money. Upon thorough investigation, they saw that more money was transferred from Quadri's account to the account of the child of the pastor, of the prophet, this same prophet. And lo and behold, arrest was made. And it was one of the accomplices that helped in aiding whatever they did that eventually made confession of how the unalived Olasunkanmi Quadri Ogunbode, a 28-year-old graduate of Lagos State University, LASU, a political science student who was waiting to go and do National Youth Service Corps before he can face the world squarely. Olasunkanmi was not allowed to face the world. Olasunkanmi's parents were not allowed to see Olasunkanmi become who he wanted to become. Olasunkanmi was not allowed to even experience what it is to do, what it is to walk after youth service. Olasunkanmi's life was cut short by these prophets. Prophets Wepetoyin Babaniye of Celestial Church of Christ, Oluwa Parish, in Ileri Oluwa Parish, in Lasu, Lagos State. Upon further investigation, so many other things we find out, what we discovered about this case. Not only money was taken out of Olasunkanmi's account, Olasunkanmi was unalived. A young promising boy who decided to live a decent life, but decided to go to church because many people believe that their victory, their success, their elevation, their progress depends on pastor. But now we are seeing that it is dangerous to associate with many people called pastors or religious leaders for that matter. So upon further investigation, it was discovered that these people unalive Olasunkanmi cut some part of his body, took some part of his body, and buried the remaining inside the church compound. Olasunkanmi's body was buried inside the church compound, and the police SWAT went into action. And in the process, more was still discovered. Not only was his body buried in the church, the prophet, the shepherd, I think that's the name they call celestial leaders, the shepherd's son was involved in this issue, was involved in this wickedness perpetrated by him, his dad, and others.
In 2025 was when this started, after a report was received at Ojo Division that this young man went missing. And after the new Commissioner of Police, CP Dariji, assumed office on February 18, 2025, he gave a marching order to the State Criminal Investigation Department to solve this case. And that saw the case being upgraded from the case of a missing person to the case of suspected murder. And that also saw us arresting the principal or one of the principal suspects who not only confessed to the killing of the young man, but has also led us here today to the grave where he was buried. So now that we've seen body and the body is going to be recovered in a couple of minutes, the case is gradually coming to an end. We'll intensify efforts to arrest the remaining wanted suspects, and we can assure Lagosians that justice will be served. We also want to use this opportunity to not only commiserate with the family of the deceased, but to also thank the Lagos State government for their immense support for this case and in every other area of crime fighting within the state. Just like I said, try to intensify efforts to get the remaining wanted suspects and wrap up the investigation, positively identify the body as that of the missing person, and they will definitely be prosecuted to ensure that justice is served.
My name is Comrade Ayomide Adebobola, popularly known as Jody, the Student Union President, Lagos State University. Well, we appreciate the effort of the police in getting to the root of this matter, but the student community are sad and agitated, and what we are demanding is full justice for Olas. All the people involved in his killing must face justice. They must face the wrath of the law in full force, and no stone must be left unturned. We, the student community, we are standing with Olas. Olas is an easygoing individual. He has never been involved in any fight or anything that can... He has never been involved in any issue. And what we are demanding, Olas has a shop on campus where he runs educational consults. So we know him very well. He has a source of income. We are demanding full justice for Olas. This matter must not be swept under the carpet. All the people that are involved in the killing of Olas must face the full wrath of the law. We will be doing constant follow-up on this issue, and we will not give up until justice is served.
Thank you.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ìlú ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà, tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni. èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí, fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo ìyẹn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.